Crazy story. I've actually had to rebuild multiple intersections because of the same kind of incident. The legal drive height for vehicles on the road is 13.5 feet. So if you're traveling at a height higher than 13.5 feet, then you take the risk of hitting a bridge, intersections, power lines, and so much more that's over the road. And anytime you have structures below the legal drive height, you'll have signs in advantage of those warning you to turn around. And don't make the same mistakes as the drivers in this video. Make sure you know the height of your truck and you know the height of the structures you're passing under. So if you like this video, make sure to like it, share it, and follow. I really do appreciate everybody for enjoying the content I'm making. Thank y'all so much and happy Friday. Also, as I've said before, TikTok really pushes videos with product links in it. This is called the Kraken. You use it to shotgun beverages. So check it out. If you want one, get one. If not, it's fine with me. Y'all have a great day.